Hey everyone, did you know that numbers can have different meanings in different cultures? Why 555 makes Thai people laugh. In Thai, the number 5 is pronounced ha. So, when you see 555, it's like saying ha 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 or laugh out loud in English. If you're not familiar with Thai culture, seeing 555 on social media might be confusing. It's more than just a number. It's a key part of Thai humor. The use of 555 as a symbol of laughter dates back to the early days of the internet and texting in Thailand. It became a shorthand for laughter because of the phonetic similarity to the Thai word for laugh. Ha. Over time, it became embedded in Thai digital communication, showing up in text messages, social media posts, and even advertisements. It's quick, easy, and universally understood among Thai speakers. This cultural nuance highlights how language and humor evolve together, creating unique expressions that bring people together. For example, a typical comment on a funny video might be 555, 5555, indicating that the viewer found it hilarious. It's not just about the number itself, but the shared cultural understanding that it represents laughter and joy. So, there you have it. What cultural quirks have you noticed in other languages? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into Thai culture and language. See you next time.